Think like an algorithm? Understanding AI decision-making for everyday life and business? Sophie adjusted her glasses and stared at the espresso machine behind the cafe counter. It was 8:15 a.m., and she was already 5 minutes behind schedule. She had two choices: wait for her usual vanilla oat milk latte, or skip it and catch the express bus. Just as she started weighing her options, a soft voice in her earbud chirped. Estimated bus arrival, 8:19. Latte preparation time, 3 minutes. Probability of catching the bus if latte is ordered, 26%. Sophie sighed. Thanks, Ada, she muttered, grabbing a bottled cold brew instead. Ada, short for Adaptive Decision Algorithm, was her personal AI assistant. Unlike typical to-do apps, Ada didn't just remind Sophie of things it thought like an algorithm, evaluating probabilities, trade-offs, and hidden patterns. Chapter 2. The Algorithmic Perspective. Later that day, Sophie stood in front of a room full of executives at a logistics company. As a business consultant, she had a new pitch. Think like an algorithm, she began. Most decisions you make, whether it's restocking inventory or choosing suppliers, can be broken into logical flows, just like Ada does for me every day. She walked over to a whiteboard and drew a simple decision tree. Your current method reacts to delays. An algorithm anticipates them. For example, AI doesn't care about emotions. It cares about variables, probabilities, and context. That's not cold. That's clarity. Chapter 3. Trust the process. After her talk, one executive approached her. We already use AI in our supply chain, he said. But the team doesn't trust it. They say it's too black box. Sophie smiled. Then open the box. Don't just use AI, understand how it thinks. Like Ada, it's all about inputs, weights, feedback loops. The more transparent the system, the more people trust the process. He nodded slowly. So, instead of replacing human judgment, we teach our teams to think like the algorithm? Exactly, Sophie said. Train the people, not just the model. Chapter 4. Everyday Decisions. That night, Sophie asked Ada, should I go for a run or rest? Ada replied, heart rate variability suggests fatigue, suggests rest. However, a 15-minute walk will still boost serotonin without straining recovery. Sophie grinned. You always have a third option, huh? Ada's voice, as always, was neutral. Optimal decisions consider nuance. I do not think like a human, but you can learn to think like me. Epilogue. Sophie's consulting firm grew rapidly, teaching businesses to adopt algorithmic thinking, not just AI tools. She didn't promise automation or miracles. She promised clarity. And sometimes, in life and business, that was all people needed. A little clarity, a little logic, and just enough data to make the next best move. Think like an alg.